Stop wasting money on ads that fall flat. I'm about to show you how to craft powerful, authentic UGC ads using AI, completely for free. First, let's brainstorm your core message. Think about the biggest pain point your product solves or the most significant benefit it offers. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT or even Google Bard to generate compelling at angles and unique selling propositions based on your products. Now, we need visuals to feel genuine. We'll source free stock footage and images that align with your chosen angle. Websites like Pexels, Unsplash, and Pixabay offer a treasure trove of high-quality, royalty-free content. Look for clips that show real people experiencing positive emotions or solving problems. Next, we inject that authentic UGC feel with AI-powered voiceover services like Vru or similar. Free AI voice generators can create natural-sounding narration from your script. You can even adjust the tone and style to match your brand. For editing, Canva is your best friend. It's incredibly user-friendly and offers a ton of free templates and effects. You'll upload your stock footage, add your AI-generated voiceover, and then overlay text that reinforces your key message. Think benefits, social proof, or a clear call to action. Let's talk authenticity. Sprinkle in user-generated style graphics, like simple text boxes that mimic phone notes or authentic user testimonials. You can even add subtle background music to create a subtle mood to key, to make it look like it was actually created by a real customer, not a polished Hollywood production. Finally, export your ad in a format suitable for your chosen platform. These AI-powered UGC ads are incredibly effective because they resonate with audiences looking for genuine recommendations, and the best part, you've created them entirely for free.